Hello, my name is Amy Apgar. I am a 7th grade learning support teacher here at Ephrata, and I'm here to share with you the importance of inclusion within our district for our students. So a little background about inclusion. There was a lawsuit in 1994 where 12 individuals and their caretakers filed a class lawsuit action against Pennsylvania declaring that their child or children were not being given their least restrictive environment when being educated within their school district, which happened to be Allentown School District in the Carlisle School District. And the court case stayed live until 2005, which is 10 years later. They filed a Gaskin settlement, which stated that every child's LRE needed to be looked at upon their annual IEP meeting and/or with parent request, just assuring that students were in the environments where they could learn the most and be least restrictive. A little background. Oftentimes the terms mainstream and inclusion can be used interchangeably. They are no longer interchangeably, they are two different words. Mainstreaming is when a child has access to the general ed curriculum but is not with their non-disabled peers and are able to be. And inclusion is students who have access to the general education curriculum with their non-disabled peers, such as science class and math class. Special education was designed to help educate students who are identified. We want them to learn and grow with accommodations and modifications that we can help them to grow with their regular ed peers. According to the National Center of Education for Disabled Students, in 1976, inclusion was about 8.3%. As of 2015, we're up to 13.2. And if I had to guess, we'd be even higher now with the way the world is evolving and changing. Due to this lawsuit, every 6 years they have compliance monitoring, and that is just where the state checks out the numbers, they check out the programming within our school, they check IEPs to see that they are completed correctly, and every 6 years we are given a score to show that we are improving and that most of our district has a high percent of inclusion rates. Gaskin questions are also 6 questions at the end of an IEP that we still to this day discuss with families as we're going over their child's IEP about where the best place for their child is to learn each and every day. LRE is not a place in the school. It's not in the math class. It's a service that we as educators provide our students to help them grow, not just academically, but socially and emotionally. When they are included with their peers in classes, we provide that sense of community and allow students to feel part of something. And we want to continue to have students who grow academically, socially, and emotionally. Thank you so much. Have a great day.